Hello and good morning, dear. As in our last class, we have learned the method to find out the squares of a number from 25 to 75 without too much calculation. Hope you all understood and you all practiced. And today we will start how to find out squares of a number from 75 to 125. Means the third class of our calculation technique. To find squares from 25 to 75, we have chosen a method, means we have to find out the number is how much less than 50 or how much more than 50. And after this, the number less than 50, we subtracted this from 25 and the square of the number. And if the number is more than 50, then we added the number in 25, means how much the number is more than 50, we added this more thing to 25 and the square of this more thing. And today, to find from 75 to 125, means in last class we have taken the base 50 and today we will take the base 100. Means first we have to find out the number is how much less than 100 or more than 100. Means we have to write the number 100 minus x, and if the number is more than 100, so we have to write 100 plus x, means how much the number is more than 100. And to find out the square, as in last class we have done, the number is less than 50, we subtracted it from x. And today we will subtract the number, so the difference from the number, as our formula for today is n plus x, on the other side square of x. In the same way, or the number is how much more than 100, we add the same difference in number. So in this left side, means how much the number is less, we have to subtract x from here. It's not plus, it's minus. I will write again, n square equals to n minus x and x square. So taking first example, we have to find out the square of 75. How can we write it 75? We can write it as 100 minus x, means 100 minus 25. Are you all familiar that we can write 75 as 100 minus 25? Now after this, the second step is the square of number, means the difference. We have to subtract the difference from the number, means we will subtract 25 from 75. 75 minus 25, and on the other side the square of 25. As we have learned, the square of 25 is 625, and 75 minus 25, it will become 50. And in the same way we have studied, we have to keep only 2 digits on the right side, means we will write 25 and 6 will be carried to the left. 50 plus 6, it will become 56. Now take one more example. We have to find out the square of 95. We can write it as 100 minus 5. The difference is 5, so we have to square 5 on the right, and on left side we will subtract 5 from 95, means we have to subtract the difference from the number. 95 minus 5, it will become 90. And on the right side square of 5 is 25. As we have to write 2 digits, so we don't need to carry anything to the left. We can write 25 same and 90 same. Another example, we have to find out the square of 93. 93 we can write 100 minus 7, means the number is 7 less than 100. On right side square of 7 and to the left side of slash we will write 93 minus 7. Square of 7 is 49. 93 minus 7, it will become 86. So there are two digits, no need to transfer anything to the left. Take one more example. Square of 94. We can write 100 minus 6. So on left side 94 minus 6 and on the right the square of 6. Square of 6 is 36. 94 minus 6, it will become 88. 8836 will be the square of 94. Take one more example. Square of 89. We can write it 100 minus 11. On left side 89 minus 11 and on the right side square of 11. Square of 11 will be 121 and 89 minus 11, it will become 78. Now what to do? We have to keep only two digits. So 21, we will keep 21 on the right and 1 will be carried to the left side. 78 plus 1, it will become 79. One more example. If you have to find out the square of 85. The square of 85, how to find out? 85 can be written as 100 minus 15. On left side 85 minus 15 and on the right side we have to do square of 15. Square of 15 is 225. 85 minus 15, it will become 70. We have to write only two digits on the right. We can write 25. 2 will be transferred to the left. It will become 7225. If you will be practice this again and again, so you will not have to write these steps as I am trying. If you have to find out the square of 87, you know it is 13 less than 100. So on left side you have to minus 13 from 87. If you subtract 13 from 87, the answer will be 74. And on the right side, square of 13 will be 169. 69 will be same, 1 will be carried to the left, it will become 7569. One more example. Square of 78. We know 78 is 22 less than 100. Square of 22 is 484. 78 minus 22, it will become 56. 78 minus 22, 56. On right side we have to write only two digit 84. 4 will be transferred to the left. 56 plus 4, it will become 60. One more example. Square of 79. We know it is 21 less than 100. So square of 21 is 441. 79 minus 21. 79 minus 21 will become 58. So you have to write only two digits on the right. 4 will be carried to the left. 58 plus 4, it will become 62. Hope you all understood how to find squares from 75 to 100. If you will practice it 3 to 4 times, then you will be familiar, you will be easily able to find out the squares. But you must have to practice and you must have to learn squares from 1 to 25 to calculate the squares from 25 to 125 without learning. Now take some more examples for the numbers which are more than 100. As taking from the simple example, square of 102, we can write it as 100 plus 2. Square of 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. We have to add number plus x, and on the right side the square of the number means 2 square. Number is 102 plus how much the number is more, 102 plus 2, and on the right square of 2. 102 plus 2, it will become 104, and on the right we have to write 2 digit, so we have to write 0 before 4. Square will be 10404. Take one more example, 103 square. Number is 3 more than 100. So what to do now? On right side square of 3, it will be 9, and on the left side 103 plus 3, it will become 106. There is only one digit, so we have to write 09. 106 will be same. So square of 103 is 10609. One more example, 105 square. To find 105 square, what we have to write? It is 5 more than 100. Square of 5 will be 25, and 105 plus 5, it will become 110. So there are 2 digits, no need to change, it will be 1025. We are taking one more example, 109 square. As the square of 9 is 81, 109 plus 9, it will become 118. So there are 2 digits, we can write it directly. Taking one more example, square of 107. Square of 7 is 49. 107 plus 7, it will become 114. There are 2 digits, so we can write directly 11449. Hope you understood the method. We will try 1 or 2 more examples of digit above 100, as 112 square. How to find square of 112? We can write it as 100 plus 12, and the method is square of 12 on the right, on left 112 plus 12. Square of 12 is 144. On the left 112 plus 12, it will become 124. So on right side we have to write only 2 digits. So 44 will be same, 1 will be carried to the left. 124 plus 1, it will become 125. Take one more example, 114 square. So it can be written as 114 plus 14, and on the right side square of 14. Square of 14 will be 196. 114 plus 14, it will be 128. 96 will be same, 1 will be carried to left. 128 plus 1, it will become 129. We'll take one more example, 118 square. 118 plus 18, and on the right side square of 18. 18 square is 324. 118 plus 18, 136. 24 can be written same, 3 will be carried to the left. 136 plus 3, it will become 139. 24 will be same, 3 will be carried to the left. 136 plus 3, 139, as 121 square. Now square of 21 is 441. 121 plus 121, it will become 142. 41 can be written same, 4 will be carried to the left. 142 plus 4, 146. So the more you practice, the more it will be simple for you. Another example, 123 square. Square of 23 is 529. 123 plus 23, it will become 146. You can write 29 same. 146 plus 5, it will become 151. Hope the examples are sufficient. Now I am giving you some questions so that you can practice. These are some squares. You can try if you want to learn the method. 76 square, 78 square, 83 square, 88 square, 96 square, 98 square, 104 square, 108 square, 111 square, 113 square, 124 square, 115 square. So these are some examples you can try. Hope you understood the class. If any doubt, you can comment in comment section. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks and meet you soon.